Hello, my name is Aaron, and today I'm going to be going over the CleanSlate's circuit design. Let's begin by starting the simulation. The CleanSlate is powered and controlled by this Arduino board. This button right here turns on and off the device. When the device is powered on, it is indicated by this red LED light. The CleanSlate is also powered by these two DC motors, which are themselves powered by this 9-volt battery and controlled by this L2 93D switch. These DC motors, depending on the configuration, can go forward, backwards, and turn to the right. To avoid obstacles on a counter or tabletop, I implemented this ultrasonic distance indicator. When an object is over 10 inches away from the device, these DC motors move forward. However, if the CleanSlate gets too close to an item, 10 inches or less, the DC motors will power the right wheel slightly less than the left wheel. This lets the device turn to the right, avoid the object, and then, once the object is out of sight, moves forward as normal. To detect and avoid the edge of counter or tabletops, I implemented two IR sensors. When these two IR sensors detect the edge of a counter, it stops the device, puts it in reverse, and then turns it to the right to avoid the edge. Next, to ensure that the appropriate amount of cleaning spray is sprayed onto the surface, I implemented a moisture sensor. When the moisture sensor is fully saturated, nothing happens. However, when the mop head gets too low in moisture level, down to around 20% or so, it turns on this pump, which pumps out extra cleaning spray to the nozzle to spray onto the surface. Now let's look at some of the code I used to implement this design. We have the motor pins, the ultrasonic sensor pins, the calculations for the sensor, the IR sensor pins, the IR sensor readings, and then the calculations for the IR sensor. And we also have the mop moisture level calculation. We have the void setup where I enabled all the correct pins for either output or input. Next, we have the implementation of the object avoidance for the ultrasonic sensor. We also have the edge detection, which incorporates the IR sensors. We have the mop moisture readings gotten by the Arduino at pin A0. And then we have the implementation of the if else statements for edge detection, distance, and mop moisture level. This allows for the device to go forward, stop, or go backwards. And then we have the functions for all of the go forward, go backwards, turn right, and stop, as well as the clean spray. Thank you.